Well, here we are at the free Divi Design School, and today I'm going to let you in on the secret to the new Divi Gradient Builder. Before, you could only use 2 colors for the gradient. Now you can use pretty much as many as you want. I'm aware that a lot of you are having issues getting this new function to work, so I'm here to help. What Divi and others quickly ran past in their how-to videos turns out to be the most important step, considering you can do nothing without knowing this particular secret. This is why you need people like me who won't gloss over the steps as if everyone should know what they mean. When you click into the Gradient Builder and you want to change the colors, you're probably getting frustrated. I know I did, because it just wasn't working. What's up with that? Forgive my rant, please. So I decided to change or play with this current gradient here. So I open the section, click on this second column, go to the background, and then click the gradient tab. Now the old way was to click on one of the 2 default colors that show up when you click into it. So I proceeded to click here several tries, and nothing happened. I dragged the gradient bar below, nothing. What the heck? I went back to Divi's tutorial and did not see what the step was that I was missing. Luckily, I can be a bit bulldogish and kept trying anyway. I literally stumbled on the secret. The one step is to click on the marker in the gradient bar to bring up the color palette right here. Voila! Just like that, it works. I hope that helps all of you who have been frustrated trying to figure it out on your own. While I'm on the subject of colors, in my global color tutorial, I mentioned that I would love to be able to change the default color choices in the builder. You can change them. Go to Divi Options on the current default colors that are there, click on one, and it will open the color box to select whatever color you want. You live, you learn. Hope that helped. God bless.